How to make money from Clickbank on YouTube for free. Hey YouTube fam. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Clickbank on YouTube for free. If you want to unlock affiliate marketing secrets, first, what is Clickbank? It's a marketplace connecting product creators and affiliate marketers. It's the perfect matchmaker for promoters and commission earners, with products across all niches. Now it's time to find your perfect product. Browse Clickbank categories related to your niche. Choose something you genuinely believe in and think will benefit your audience. Grab your unique affiliate link so you get credit for sales. Next, create irresistible content. Solve viewer problems and fulfill their needs with tutorials, reviews or top 10 lists. Provide serious value. Organically weave in your affiliate link to encourage clicks. Optimize your titles, descriptions and tags for search visibility. Craft click-worthy thumbnails. And if you find this helpful so far, smash that subscribe button. Analyze your YouTube and Clickbank stats to see what converts. Refine your strategies based on the data. Reinvest commissions into better content and ads to scale up. You can now tap into affiliate marketing on YouTube through Clickbank 100% free. Remember, success takes commitment. Keep improving and delivering value. If you're excited to start affiliate marketing, give this video a thumbs up. Share your journey in the comments. Until next time, keep hustling.